By the end of this YouTube lesson, with the help of our native Zulu speaker, you will be able to understand and use the personal possessive pronouns of the personal pronoun I. Let's get started. The following pronoun has three meanings.
Mina,
This word means me, myself, and I. As you've heard, mina is relatively simple to understand because of its straightforward pronunciation with two easy-to-articulate syllables, min and na. Did you notice there's a cross-cultural similarity with English speakers? For example, can you recognize the similarity between
mina,
and the English word me? This common concept of self or I is shared across many languages, making it easier to grasp the meaning of mina. With only 4 letters, mina is a concise word, making it easy to remember and pronounce. Furthermore, mina is commonly used in Zulu. While Zulu is a tonal language, mina doesn't heavily rely on tonal nuances for its meaning.
Now, pay attention to the first category of possessive pronouns.
yami, zami, sami, lwami, lwami, kwami, lami.
The possessive pronouns you just listened to all mean my. The following examples show you how to use them.
Ingane yami,
My child.
izinja zami,
My dog.
isihlahla sami,
My tree.
umuthi wami,
My medicine.
usuku lwami,
My day.
ukudla kwami,
My food.
ikati lami.
My cat. Have you realized that all of the possessive pronouns end with me? That's because me is the possessive stem. Since this is a video for beginners, don't worry about the grammatical theory behind the Zulu language and focus on listening to more Zulu content, and familiarize yourself with the different tones and pronunciation of the language. The following category of the possessive pronoun all mean mine.
Eyami, ezami, esami, owami, olwami, okwami, elami.
Did you notice that a prefix is added to my to make it mine? Here are examples on how to use them.
Ingane eyami,
The child is mine.
izinja ezami,
The dogs are mine.
isihlahla esami,
The tree is mine.
umuthi owami,
The medicine is mine.
usuku olwami,
The day is mine.
ukudla okwami,
The food is mine.
ikati elami.
The cat is mine. And that is a wrap on Zulu personal pronouns for I. If you like this video, subscribe and hit the like button as this will help with the YouTube algorithm and help others who want to learn Zulu.